I just got off a call with a trader, one of my students, and that kind of inspired this video today. A lot of people ask whether they can start trading with $100 or not, and I have my views on it. The goal of this video is really not to kind of discourage anyone and to tell people that they cannot do something. I try to be as supportive as I can, but really the key topic here and the key word is going to be start. And we'll make it clear right away, you cannot make a living with $100 in your account. You cannot expect to make a full-time income, that's impossible. But you can at least start and try to see how things go. But don't expect this to be like your job starting today. You're gonna put $100 in an account. It's not gonna work that way. So here's the thing, unlike markets like futures and stocks, in Forex you can open an account with as low as you want in terms of money, like pretty much anything you want. And the guy I was talking to today turned $100 into $600, and that was in a short period of time. Now I don't recommend doing this, and he did it without really knowing how to do it. And what happened, he just like traded, and then that's what happened, which is not really the place you want to be at. Now there are two ways you can go about it, and the first way is going to be the sensible way, or I would say the money management friendly way, where you would take that $100, you would practice as if you had like a big account, as if you were trading for a big firm, and you treat that $100 as like your whole trading fortune, and you trade it with all the money management possible. So 1% or whatever percent you calculate per trade, same rules, same reward, everything the same, as if you were trading like in a big firm. That's going to really help you build the right mindset and the right techniques from the start, so that when you get to have this $100,000 or this $50,000, at least you can trade properly and you can have the same rule. You will not have to adjust anything for later, and you'll have like a kickstart for later on, which is really powerful. Now the second way to go about it is to treat this $100 as kind of a portion of a bigger account. So you would put a little bit more risk in that account, but this is given the fact that you have money on the side. So let's say you have $1,000 on the side that you're willing to trade with. You would do as if you had this in your account, and you would risk maybe a little bit more per trade, knowing that you can lose $100, but that you have some money on the side and that you can put the money in your account afterward. And this is kind of good if you don't want to put all your money in a trading account. We know how brokers can be risky sometimes, or how they can kind of close and you might lose money. Like not all the time, I don't want to be pessimistic here, but can happen for sure. So what you do is, if you have $100 and your whole capital is like $1,000, you would put 10 times more risk on your $100 account than you would do on your $1,000 account. So let's say your risk per trade, as you calculate with the risk of ruin and everything, is 1% per trade. Well, you would risk basically 10% of the $100, which is still 1% of the $1,000. Same thing, but you don't have the whole money in your account, and that makes it easier. If you lose the $100, which is 10% of your trading capital, not that bad. Like you're not dead, you're not broke, and you can still keep going. And that is going to be a sign that things have to change and that you have to change something. Either that's going to be your methodology, your psychology, or your money management. Those are three parts, but you have to figure out which one you did wrong and which one you have to reevaluate. So the key message, I think, of this video is really, you can start with $100, totally fine. Treat it as an experiment, as something that you try. If it works, it works. If it doesn't work, not so bad. You didn't lose all your fortune, and that's a good thing. Two ways I talked about: either you treat it as your big account and you do everything possible to make it risk management friendly, or treat it as part of your bigger account and you increase risk a little bit to, it's gonna be more risky, but at least you don't have your whole money into your account. Hope that makes sense. I'm gonna go inside because it's really cold. If you have any questions, comment below. I want to hear your thoughts as always. If you have any feedback, comment below as well. Subscribe if it's not done yet, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Ciao. So no joke, this optimization right here has been running since about 10 a.m. this morning. It's not done yet. And this is, by the way, I'm testing a different weight for the trends, different time frames, and I'm not sure if it's going to be good or not. Strategy is like really profitable right now, but there's still this thing of weight, which I'm not sure how much weight to put on what time frame, so that's what I'm testing. Hopefully it's going to be done for the night and I'll be able to see the result.